guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guess who bought a washing machine? But yeah guys, I bought a washing machine from Takealot. Maybe was it 5,000 rand? Yeah, I believe so, because before 9995. Yeah, so yeah, if you get namhlanje, so I want you guys to be with me. Okay, but yeah, let's unbox this washing machine together. And if you're new here, please do like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into it.
I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold no ring. Yeah. Good against spilling ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up in around me, nigga. Ain't a plan when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my full goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, what the time would it kill? We up what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed. That's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. But you wanna fuck me down. But you wanna love me down. Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Bring a nigga, show me something. Shake it like you own me something. Put you on the button like a button. Keep on time for still getting ready in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Peace, that's South East. Got her clapping to this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she see my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. If that's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic when Mac 11's bad bitch. That's just Spanish. I'm fired, they call them puzzle. We get nasty, I'm a daddy. I know a nigga ain't average. Nothing wrong with fake acid. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic. I'm geeking, I'm on it. Don't look at me like you want it. Tell them that we ain't stunting. If fourth down, we ain't bunting. Think of this truck alarming. Can't come here without a permit. This shit really a jungle. The villains and anaconda shit.
But anyways, that's all for today guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, share the video with your friends. Mwah.
This shit too decent. Scale of 1 to 10, she a 10 piece. Usually I'm the one with the groovies. Shorty so bad.